Okay, it started lightning, so I wanted to try to get some video of that. And what's this? Now, what did I come upon? A taxi. It's pretty well buried. And a semi. Oh yeah, he's really buried. And a semi. He's stuck. Well, they're there for the night, I would say. I don't know. I'd love to help people, but I can't. This is Thorndale and 83. And it's a major highway, but doesn't look like one tonight. Barely making it through that light. Okay, there's some part of the road. At least I know I'm on the right side of the road. That's good. This visibility and the drifting is just so terrible. There we go, plow. Whoa, I'm gonna get stuck. Okay, I gotta drive on this side just to be in the clear. It's the wrong side of the road. I can't even see. I'm spinning out. Oh, I'm spinning out. Okay. It's just so thick to get through. Okay, here's a red light. Oh, that's a frickin' truck. A snowplow. He's stuck. Is he? Yeah, he's stuck. He's spinning. I just can't stop. I don't want to get stuck. I don't even know which side of the road I'm on. Doesn't look like I'm on the right side because it was lightning. I wanted to catch some lightning, but I haven't seen anything. The big drift piles here. It's spinning now again. Jeez. I just can't even see. I should be coming up on a stoplight, but if I remember correctly. Oh, yeah. Yep, there it is. The blizzard of 2011. February 1st. Trying to get through